Hello! If you would like to access your TwinSpace, it's really simple. You just have to log in eTwinning.net and go to your desktop. Then click on the projects and find the project that you would like to visit. So I'm going here and click on the TwinSpace. So now you are in the TwinSpace of your project. If you would like to send a mail to another member of this TwinSpace, you just click Compose write the subject, hi, good luck with your training, best Irene, and then select the recipient. So I'm going to send it to Paraskevi and click on send. So that's it, really simple. So now, if you would like to add your country's national holiday to the TwinSpace calendar, you click on Home page, and then you just have to scroll down, go to the calendar, click Add Event, write the title of the event, so I will say Independence Day in Thessaloniki. So it's 26th of October. Schools are closed at that day, so it ends the same day. I can add a description if I want. Schools are closed, say. The type, if it's an anniversary, gives you many opportunities. I would just click on holiday and click on save. So now, if you want to see all the events in your TwinSpace, you can just click on events and here you will see all the events that were created by other partners in this project. So now it's time to update your profile, and this is really simple. You can go next to your name in this arrow, click on My Account, here is your profile, my profile now. As you can see, I have already put my picture and a small presentation of myself. So now if I click on Edit Profile, I can change the photo, or I can change my description. And after that, click on Submit. I think it's really easy. Don't you think so? So, good luck with that. Bye!